Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing great and keeping well. I am Snehal and welcome back to the cute little corner of the internet straight from the beautiful and the bustling city of Bangalore. Um, Before I start, I know that I've been quite inconsistent in posting vlogs and videos on YouTube, but the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So let's get into the video and see what do we have for today's vlog. So this video is mostly going to be about a day in my life on a weekend. I have already started my day. I started it with a little bit of yoga and soft music listening. And can you see the glow on my face? No, it's just the light that is falling on my face. So I've also cleaned my house and I am gonna quickly go take a shower and get ready because I have to go for an eye test because I cannot see anything properly. Haha. And then let's see what am I gonna do. Something crazy I should do today, right? So मैंने शावर ले लिया है and मैं ready भी हो चुकी हूँ. I have dressed up as well. It's just that I have to comb my hair and book a Rapido or book cab and then OTD. Okay, I don't know if everything's seen or no, but yes, let's go. So I have these buttonite hair and let's see how the experience is gonna be. I did ask a lot of my friends and all of them suggested this particular place. So yeah, let's see. So I just consulted the doctor because I was having a slight pain in my eyes, so that is why I just thought of consulting a doctor. But then he said that there's nothing and probably I can continue with the same specs that I'm using. So now that I'm happy, I have come to Sharma's Kulche to eat some chole kulche and why not? It's a weekend. So I've ordered one Matar Paneer Kulche and cheese vada pav. Yum. See, they are making I'm done with my food also. I can't tell you, it was so yummy. You should definitely come and try the Sharma's Kulche in Kamanadi. Now, it was spicy, sorry guys. Now I am probably gonna head towards spectacles shop because I want to go buy some new spectacles for myself. And then yeah, I'll see you all there. I've come to Titan Eye Plus to get some new spectacles for myself and maybe a makeover as well. Let's see guys, so I have done a little shopping and I also so in between my battery was discharged and I couldn't vlog further, but yeah, I am super tired and now I can't wait to get back home. And then once I reach back home is when I can let you all know what I'm gonna do next. See you. Okay, so this is the next day. Yesterday I was so tired that as soon as I hit the bed, I just dozed off and I couldn't vlog anything. But yes, that was it for yesterday's vlog and I hope you all enjoyed it and liked it. If you did, do like, share, subscribe and comment and do all the cute little needful things that you all can do. Till then, take care and I will see you all in my next vlog. Bye!